guys, showing you guys how to change on the MDX. I think this works for 2014 through 2020. So what I'm gonna do is go in. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the cabin filter. So you just press on this tab here, and it'll drop the glove box down. The glove box down. Then there'll be two tabs. One tab here, one tab here. You press down on both of these tabs, and then this will come off the cover. Okay, so then you'll see here, you'll see airflow down. So then you press on these two tabs here, 1 and 2. And you pull forward like so. This will pull forward. As you can see, the blow motor's back here. This is the cabin filter. It has been replaced. Just showing you guys how to do it yourself. That's how easy it is. It's quick and simple. You just pull out the filter, the new filter. You put the new filter in. It'll say airflow down. Where it goes in, airflow down. It would go down facing the front here. Okay. Filter goes in like so. Presses in. Okay, see how it just presses in. Then you slide it into the grooves in the back like so. Goes all the way back, snaps into place. Then you get the cover. Put the cover, the bottom pieces down first into the little holes here. And then push it closed. And that's it. You replace the cabin filter in less than 2 minutes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. To like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.